In this movie tutorial, we'll cover the basics of mixing audio and MIDI within Nuendo. Once you've finished viewing this tutorial, and you want to learn more about mixing, then you can jump right over to the mixing topic, which provides a collection of detailed, in-depth tutorials covering everything there is to know about mixing within Nuendo. Mixing in Nuendo is one of the easiest and most pleasing mix environments you'll find. It offers powerful processing, automation, and busing capabilities, all within a very well-organized layout. There are several main methods in which you can perform your mix tasks. The most powerful of these methods is the VST channel mixer. In this mixer, you have a console-style view of all the tracks within your project, giving you access to all the various types of mixer channels available. Audio channels are directly linked to the tracks within your project arrangements. You also have channels for effect send buses, group buses, MIDI tracks, virtual instrument channels, and your main output buses. You have a common panel that gives you control over various features of the entire mixer. You have two additional extended views as well. The first extended view gives you the ability to view everything from channel inserts to sends and even large-style VU meters. The third extended view gives you options for your channel inputs and output routing, as well as input phase switching and an input gain trim knob. If your mix grows too large, you can slim down the tracks to help get a better grasp of the entire mix in one glance. Or you can choose to hide or show certain track types using the indicator buttons to the left. For each channel, you have console-style functions that you'll immediately find yourself at home with. Volume faders, panning sliders with multiple pan edit modes, mute and solo buttons, automation read-write buttons, inserts, send and EQ bypass buttons, and your channel monitor and record arm buttons are all readily accessible and easy to use. To add and use plugin effects, you simply choose a plugin from your list of installed plugins in an empty insert slot. You have up to 8 insert slots per channel, giving you plenty of processing power to work with. If you find that you don't have a lot of desktop space on your screen to use the mixer and you prefer to focus on your project arrangements, then you can use the inspector in the project editor to access all the same channel strip options and functions without the need for the mixer. They are all neatly categorized in sub-windows that you can click on and view at any time. Inserts and EQs are just a click away. You even have a channel strip view just like that found in the mixer. Another way to mix is using the VST channel settings window. This gives you a complete overview of all the channel strip functions, inserts, sends, and everything else under one easy-to-use window. The settings will change and update as you select different tracks, making it a great way to keep one single window open for all your mixing needs. When it comes time to perfect your mix, you'll have a highly advanced automation engine at your fingertips. Any object within the mixer or a plugin can be automated to your liking. It's as easy as activating write mode, hitting play, and moving a fader or pushing a button. Nuendo will capture every movement and play it back for you by activating the read mode. If you need to fine-tune your automation moves, you have automation track lanes for every track in your project. By clicking on the plus button, you can open additional automation tracks, making it easy to view and edit multiple automation tracks at the same time for different parameters. So in closing, Nuendo's flexible design provides you the ability to mix in various ways. This makes it easy for you to feel comfortable and choose a method that works best for you. Combined with its powerful automation engine, real-time plugin processing, and extensive bus routing, Nuendo's mixing system gives you the tools you need to make a great mix. Be sure to spend time in the mixing topic in this training course. It contains lots of additional information to help make sure you can make the most out of Nuendo's mixing abilities.